Hello students, so we are doing exercise 10.2. Next question is 11th one. A line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, 0, 2, 3 divides it in the ratio 1:n. Okay. Find the equation of the line. Now here they have given a ratio. Ratio means we have to use section formula. Okay. So one point is 1, 0, another is 2, 3, and the ratio in which it divides is 1:n. Okay. So by section formula, x, y, this point is m2x1, this is m1, this is m2. m2 x1 is 1 plus m1 x2 divided by m1 plus m2. Then m2 y1 0, m1 y2 upon 1 plus n. Okay, so we are getting 1 plus 2 on 1 plus n. So this is 3. This is n plus 2. And here it is 3 by 1 plus n. Okay. Now the question is, a line is perpendicular to the line segment. So there is a line which is perpendicular to this line. Okay. We have to find the equation of this line. And it is dividing, means this point is there. So this is the point which we have. And so we can use here perpendicular condition, that is m1 m2 equal to minus 1. Okay, so first you find out the slope of, suppose this is line AB, this is line CD. The slope of AB, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is 3. Okay, so slope of CD is m2, so we can take, both are perpendicular, so we can take the condition slope of AB into slope of CD equal to minus 1. AB is 3, so slope of CD is minus 1 by 3. Okay, we have to find the equation of this line, that is perpendicular line. So we can make use of the point, this point and this slope. Okay, so we can write it in the form, slope point form. Okay. So it is y minus y1 equal to m x minus x. x1 is this, y1 is this. So y minus 3 upon 1 plus m is minus 1 by 3, x minus x1. Okay. So you have to simplify that. Cross multiplying, you will get y okay. Here also cross multiply. So we can remove this 1 plus n. 3 you can multiply here. So 3y 1 plus n minus 9 equal to minus 1 I'm taking inside. minus minus plus. Okay, plus 1 plus n x equal to n plus 2 plus 9, so n plus 11. Okay, so this is the equation. Question 12. Find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. Okay, so equal intercepts means if you have a x-intercept, say a, then it is equal to the y-intercept. Okay, and there is a point which is given, that is 2, 3. So we can use the intercept form, that is x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Okay, so both the intercepts are same. So this is x plus y equal to a. Okay, so we can find the value of a using this point. So we'll get 2 plus 3 equal to a, so a is 5. Okay, so our equation is x plus y equal to 5. Okay. First question, question 13. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting the intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. So the intercept sum is given, which is 9. Okay, so we can use the intercept form. Okay. So we can use here, make use of this point, plus we can use this equation. So b is equal to 9 minus 8. Okay, so I'll substitute this. So in place of x and y, I'll put point. Okay, cross multiplying. So a square minus 9a plus 18 equal to 0. Okay, so quadratic equation, 18, 9 to the 6 3 za. So C 6 and 3 minus 6 minus 3. So a minus 6, a minus 3. So a is equal to 6 and a is equal to 3. Okay, so for the values of a, we'll get the values of b. That is, you have to put here a. So 9 minus 6 and 9 minus 3. Okay, so these are the two values of intercept. So for that, you'll get the equations. So two equations. Intercept form, you have to put values of a and b. So x upon for a 6 plus y upon 3. So this comes to 3x plus 6y equal to 18. Okay. Second one, x by 3 plus y by 6. So this is 6x plus 3y equal to 18. Okay, this is the second equation. Question 14. Find equation of the line through the point 0, 2 making an angle 2 pi by 3 with the positive axis. So it's going through the point 0, 2 like this and making an angle 2 pi by 3. Now with the positive axis, find the equation of the line parallel to it. So we have to find the equation of the line parallel to it and crossing the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. Okay, so if you want to find the equation of the line which is parallel, one thing is, you know the condition for parallel lines, that is slopes are equal. You can find the slope of this line, that is slope of the line, slope is given by tan of theta. So tan of, this is slope of first line, tan of 2 pi by 3. So what is 2 pi by 3? It is 60 into 2, so this is 120. Okay. So pi by 3 is 60, 2 times. So it falls in the second quadrant. Okay. Tan of 60 is root 3 and it falls in the second quadrant, means its sign is negative. Okay. So this is the slope of first equation, and we know that parallel line, so slope of second line is same, minus root by root 3. Okay. So we can find the equation of the line using the point slope form. So it is y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. y1 is 2, x minus 0. So y plus root 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Yeah. So this is the equation of the line. Okay. Now they have given a condition. This is for the first line, equation of first line. Now for the second line, they have given the condition that parallel to it and crossing the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. Now below the origin means this point is minus 2. Okay, so this point will be 0, minus 2. So we have the same slope, but the point is 0, minus 2. Okay. So the equation of other line is y minus minus of 2 x minus 0. So equal to 0. Okay. Question 15. The perpendicular from the origin to a line meets it at the point minus 2, 9. Find the equation of the line. Now perpendicular from the origin to a line. Okay. So from the origin there is a line meets at minus 2, 9. This is perpendicular. Find the equation of the line. Okay. So here we can use perpendicular, means this is 90 degree. Okay. And second thing is we have the 2 points, this point and this point, that is 0, 0. Okay. So the slope is, I'll write here, this is AB and this is CD. So slope of CD, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So minus 9 by 2. Okay. So this is slope of CD. What about slope of AB? Perpendicular. So m1, m2 equal to minus 1. m1 we have minus 9 by 2. 2 by 9. Okay. So this is the slope of other line, that is slope of AB. And we have to find the equation of the line, equation of this line AB. Okay. So y minus y1 equal to m x minus x. y1 is 9. Slope we got 2 by 9. x1 is minus 2. 9 you can multiply plus. So 9y minus 2x so 18 plus 4 so 22 minus 22. Okay, this is 9 and the 81 this is sorry. So 81 plus 4 95. 85. Sorry for that. So 9y minus 2x plus 85 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line AB. Question 16. The length L in centimeters of a copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature C in an experiment if L is 124.942 and C is 20. Okay. 125.134 and C is 110. So we have to find the equation. Okay. So here 2 points are given. This is a 2-point form. Okay. So we can write the equation of a line using 2-point form. Okay. So that is this is your x and this is your y. Okay. So y minus y1 upon x minus x1 to m into y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x. This is equal. Okay. Yeah. So y minus this is x1 y1 124.942 y2 y2 is 110 20 okay. This is 90 and this is 125.134 minus 124.942. Zero 0.192. Okay. So we can multiply this. This 0.192 comes here. Okay, so we'll get the equation of this. So our x is L and y is you can multiply this inside or keep as it is. 17. The owner of a milk store finds that he can sell 980 liters of milk each week at rupees 14 per liter and 1220 liters of milk each week at rupees 16 per liter, assuming a linear relationship between selling price and demand. Okay. How many liters could he sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter? So X and Y they have given. Okay. So X I am taking it as rupees. So for 14 rupees it is 980, and for 16 it is 1220. Okay. So we have to find a relationship. So same thing you have to apply. 2-point form. Y1 is 980. So this is the equation we have, and we have to find how many liters could he sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter. So X is given, we have to find Y. So take value of X as 17. 1340 liters. Okay. Next question. Question. PAB is a midpoint of a line segment between the axes. Show that the equation of the line is this. Okay. So we have like this. This is A comma B. So these are the intercepts. This is x comma 0, 0 comma y. This point is A. This point is B. Okay. We have to show this. So we have to find the values of x and y. Okay. So midpoint is given. You can use that information. So midpoint is equal to midpoint formula x plus 0 upon 2, y plus 0 upon 2. So A is equal to x by 2 and B is equal to y by 2. So x is to A and y is to B. Okay. So we have the values of x and y. One point is given. You have to show this equation. Now we can use a 2-point form also. Okay. So these points are there. This is to A and this is to B. So 2-point form, or you can use intercept form. Okay, I'll use intercept form. Intercepts are given, right? Intercept is our 2A and this points x and y, you can take any point on this line. So I'll take A and B. No, x and y we need because we want the equation, right? So keeping x and y as it is, can write this. So 2 you can take common, 1 by 2. So this is the equation. Okay. Next question. Point RHK divides a line segment between the axes in the ratio 1:2 and the equation of the line. So there is a point which is RHK. It is dividing, it is in the ratio 1:2. So to find the equation of the line. So we can use intercept form or we can use 2-point form. Okay. Now here they have given the midpoint equal to, this is our x comma 0, this is our 0 comma y. Okay. This is not a midpoint, this is a section formula you have to use. Okay. m2 into x m2 into x1 plus 0 upon 1 plus 2. Then m2 into y1 0 plus 1 into y. So this is 2x upon 3 y upon 3. Okay. 3. Okay. So we have the values of x and y. Now can use 2-point form because we have this point and this point. Okay. Or we can use the intercept form. So I'll use intercept form. Okay. X upon a is our 3h upon 2 upon 3k equal to 1. So we'll get after cross multiplying, this 2 will go in the numerator. So 6xk plus 3hy equal to 3 3s are 9kh. Okay. So this is the equation, but you can reduce this, divide by 3, 2xk hy 3kh. Okay. Next question. Question 20. Okay, by using the concept of equation of a line, prove that the 3 points are collinear. So equation of a line, 3 points means their slope should be equal. Okay, so we can use here 2-point form. Okay, what we'll do? This will take it as x1 y1. This is x2 y2, and this we have to find using the equation. Okay, so we'll use 2-point form here. So y minus y1, x minus x1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Okay. So we'll get 6y equal to 2x minus 6. This is 5, sorry. 5i. Okay. So 5i minus 2x equal to minus 6. This is the equation we have. Now you have to put this third point in this equation and see if the right hand side is right or not. 5x. So we are getting this right hand side. Okay. So all 3 points are collinear because this line is passing through this point also. Okay.